Ataxia causes the person to have poor balance. Basic cerebral palsy causes the person to have stiff muscles, and their movements may be jerky. Atulate causes a person to have uncontrolled movements, and hypertonia gives a person muscle spasms. A weighted blanket can help someone with autism calm down. It can also decrease the stress or their anxiety, and it can help make any transitions that they may need to make easier, because people with autism do not always like transitions. And a lot of these we'll talk about in the next objective when we learn about cerebral palsy. An Orbit reader can connect to a computer or phone, and they can use it to search on the internet or text with the device. The buttons have braille on them, and it can also read things out loud. A TTY telephone is a phone that allows the user to type messages back and forth to each other, and both of the people using it needs the device in order to be able to use it. And a vibrating alarm clock is just an alarm clock that vibrates or makes noises so the person can wake up.